Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm gonna be creating this green smoky eye, so if you want to see how I got it done, please keep on watching. As you all know, I always start with my Tarte concealer under my eyebrows. After the concealer, we're gonna go ahead and set our eyes with the hard candy setting powder. We're gonna use the light color of this tiny little Avon palette. Use this color as our base. For the second color, I'm gonna go ahead the darkest on this little tiny palette, which is like a dark green. I'm gonna go ahead and add it with this fluffy brush, Wet n Wild fluffy brush, starting from the middle, working your way up, blending it very good in circular motions. Right up to here. Don't go further than that because then you won't be able to see that light base. Go ahead and add it to the other eye. We're gonna go ahead and go back to the base color and we're gonna apply it again, but at the very top lightly to kind of remove the harsh lines of the eyeshadow. Go ahead and apply very carefully, right on top, but not too close to the eyebrow. And just blend it in there. Go ahead and grab the lightest color to highlight our brow bone here. To enhance this eye look, we're gonna go ahead and grab this black crayon I have from Wet n Wild in the color black. And go ahead and apply just a little bit here, kind of like an eyeliner type. You don't have to be very perfect, but you don't want it extra thick. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and blend that with this brush. We're gonna add some more. Then we're gonna go ahead and grab that green again. We're gonna blend it to the black. Add some green and blend it to the black. Go ahead and grab the black again and put it under the bottom lashes a little bit. Go ahead and grab that green brush that we used for the dark green and grab some green and we're gonna put it on the bottom. It's gonna be our bottom shadow. Blend it really good. Go ahead and apply some mascara to our lashes and pop in some fake eyelashes. eyelashes are on, we're gonna go ahead and apply some mascara on the bottom lash. Hopefully you guys like the final look. Green, beautiful, smoky eye. Have any other looks that you want me to recreate or try to recreate, please leave them down below in the comments. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys watching it. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe. And to the beautiful Munetti who was here with me during this whole video. Right, Nettie? Say hi, baby. He was here with me through all the video. You make noises and stuff. Look at them beautiful eyes.